Now to developing news out of Montgomery County. The teen accused of intentionally running over a Montgomery County police officer appeared in court today for his bond hearing. We've been following this for you since yesterday morning. It happened during a police chase on 270 near Watkins Mill in Gaithersburg. Sergeant Patrick Koepp was seriously injured in the situation. Our Leslie Moreno has been closely following this, and she joins us live outside of the Maryland District Courthouse with new details on the case and an update on Sergeant Koepp's condition. And Leslie, we know that you just got an update on his injuries. Good evening.
Simone, good evening. We were just informed that Sergeant Koepp lost both of his legs in this incident. The state's attorney says the sergeant will not be returning as an active police officer. 19-year-old Frederick Rafael Mayorga is being held with no bond. The judge says he is a danger and a threat to the community. Prosecutors say he intentionally ran over Sergeant Koepp's legs while he was deploying stop sticks to stop Mayorga. We learned in court today Mayorga was on probation while this incident happened and was driving with no license. He's being charged with attempted first-degree murder, which has a life sentence, and first-degree assault, which is a 25-year sentence. Additional charges for previous incidents include 4 counts of disorderly conduct and 4 counts of obstructing and hindering, all charges for baiting officers on 4 separate occasions. We also learned in court today that police would often call Mayorga during some of those chases. Officers would ask him to stop. Mayorga would dare officers to chase him.
If you listened and you were in court, you realize that during some of the previous chases, they would actually make phone calls to him. They knew who he was, he knew who they were, and he dared them to try to catch him. The irony is he was a sergeant for traffic control here in the county. Very well respected officer, 9 years here as a sergeant. He was out there on a DWI detail that particular night, monitoring the roads for people that were driving like this guy was driving, or driving under the influence of alcohol. It's a huge loss.
Mayorga will be back in court on November 17th. Again, Sergeant Koepp is still in the hospital recovering from his injuries. Simone?
Feeling for the sergeant and certainly for his family who's going through this incredibly traumatic event. Leslie, we appreciate your reporting tonight. Thank you.